So hello everyone, this is Shubham Divakar over here, and today we would be solving today's lead code question, which is this one, power x comma n. Now in my previous video I have posted the concept of matrix exponentiation, and that is what we are going to use in this question, right? Just one thing that we need to take care is, if n is less than 2, then what are we going to do in that case, right? So except that, rest of the exponentiation concept is same. So just so that we can recap that what matrix exponentiation is. So for any x to the power n, if we have to calculate, if n is even, now this is specifically for n. Now so if n is even, what we need to do, we need to simply do x to the power n by 2, and we need to do the square of this. Okay, now if x is odd, no, if n is odd, this is all about n. If n is odd, we simply need to do x into the same when we were doing it for even part, x to the power n by 2 whole square. Now one thing that we, so this part was basically matrix exponentiation, which I discussed in my previous video. The link to that is in the description. If you want to check that out, you can please do that. Now we need to stick to our question. Now our question specifically talks about negative number, right? So in case, let's see what this example is all about. So let's say we have this 2 to the power minus 2. Okay, so this is negative. So if this is negative, we need to do 1 by 2 to the power minus 2 is nothing but 1 by 2 square, which is 1 by 4, which is 1 by 0, which is equal to 0.25. all right, so we need to take care of this negative power. So it's just a very small change that we require to do over here in this power function. So let's first run and check this. Now let's see and calculate 5 to the power 2. Okay, and check whether this runs or not. So 5 to the power 2 is 25. We'll do it for 5 to the power, let's say 7. What exactly this is, let's check and see this. Okay, build. Command palette. All right, so yeah, so this was a function that we were talking about. All right, so first let's try and check this. Why it's not okay? Yeah, it's here. Single file run. We'll calculate 5 to the power 7. Oh, so it's 78125, right? Now if we do 5 to the power minus 7, that would result to be some different answer, right? So let's calculate for that part. So we need to do minor changes over here, because we need to reduce our answer to double. So let's first check, like, what are the changes we need to do. So this part will remain the same, like if n is equal to 0, return 1. Now we will be having double over here. So if n is equal to 0, we will return 1. Now we need to calculate sq, which is we need to calculate x to the power n by 2, like this part. But if n is even, we need to do this, and if n is positive, we need to do this, whereas if n is negative, we need to calculate x to the power minus n by 2. Okay, so we will just do a smaller check over here. Now we will check. See, what we can do is we can put up a check over here, like sq is equal to this function x to the power n by 2. Now we put a ternary operator over here and check If n is less than 0, then this, else this. Alright, so if n is less than 0, we need to do, okay, what we need to do is n by 2. Okay, so then this, else this. Okay, then this, else this. Okay, this will be question mark. Right? So if n is less than 0, this would be minus n by 2, and if it is positive, it would be simply n by 2. Okay, so SQ is basically calculated. What we need to do is, now we need to check whether if n is odd. If n is odd, we need to do x into SQ, square of that part. Okay, so one thing we can also do over here is, we can, why not, we can simply square over this part, like x into x will do. We'll square it up here only, and we'll not square in the below parts. Again, it's the same thing, so we'll simply multiply x into SQ. But if n is odd, okay, this is fine. Whereas if n was odd, we could do this. But now if n is negative, we again need to check for this part, because if n is negative, then we need to return not SQ into SQ, or we do not need to return SQ, but we need to return 1 by SQ. Okay, so we will return, if n is negative, 1 by SQ, and if n is even, we'll simply return SQ. This would go in the else part. So as you can see, we did very minor variations in this question. So let's try to calculate something from our answer, and let's check. Let's first calculate 5 to the power 7 only, and let's check what happens. Okay, now build system, build with command palette, single file run. So 5 to the power 7 is returning me again the same thing. Okay, let's calculate. Okay, 1 by 5 is what? 1 by 5 is 0.2. Okay, so 5 to the power minus 1, which would be nothing but 1 by 5, which would be nothing but 0.2. So this would return me, this should return me 0.2. Okay, so single file run. Okay, it's not returning me something. Let's check again. Okay, yeah, it's returning me 0.2 and hello. Alright, so this is the answer that we are going to do. We'll copy this, paste it over here, and we'll see what exactly do we get. So for these we need to, okay, compile error. Okay, so this function is mypow over here. So I need to replace this with mypow. From double to int. Okay, can you, it's, I'm doing this in C++, this should be. Okay, this function, this is this is double x. Okay, yeah, we are good, I think. Let's check. Okay, so this should be double, because we will again get a lossy conversion. Okay, but still correct, but this should be double over here. We'll now submit and check. Okay, wrong answer. Let me check double. Okay, this is calculating x square if n is less than 0, then minus n by 2, else n by 2. If n is odd, x into Okay, so this would be SQ is equal to SQ into X. Okay, let's check this. Okay, so rest all parts. Okay, run code finished. Now submit and check. Okay, this is something going this for wrong answer. Expected 3e minus 05. Okay, I'll try to do this in Java again. See where this is going wrong. This should be double over here. Because the restaurant thing is same in both the cases. Okay, we do not need to return this. This is the fault over here. If n mod 2 is 0, we simply need to do sq is equal to the square would be equal to x into sq. So this is where we are going wrong. Let's run, let's check. Okay, yeah, so this says this is accepted. So yeah guys, thank you for watching, and don't forget to check the previous video on matrix exponentiation. Please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.